Hey, hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about a Diecast stock exclusive. It's the Tacoma camper in a 1/64 scale. Toyo tires, I like that. Yes, like I said, it's a Diecast stock exclusive. Let's have a look at the back. Toyo tires. Model is made by GCD. And it's an official licensed product, and here it says Diecast Stock Limited Edition. Not sure if this is still available, but you can check the web shop of Diecast Stock, and they're also active on social media. And here you can see the social media and website from Toyo Tires. Let's open it up. I'm really curious. There we go. Very well packed. Very nice package, by the way. Very well protected. For the dust. Also important, and sticky fingers, especially sticky fingers. Okay, let's see. No screws, so I like that. You can see what's on the base. This is number 103 out of 1008. Okay, there's also some tape right here. Hey, I see that the base here, a piece of the metal base, is falling off. That's a glue problem, and we can fix that very easy, no problem at all. Oh, I thought that this was made out of paper or blanket, but it's just metal. I like that. That means it's really durable and also better to handle. We will check that later. First, I'm going to glue this back on the car. That is very easy. Back in a sec. Okay, so I fixed the plate with a drip of glue. Very easy. Has nothing to do with quality control. It can happen. Much better than when a wheel is broken off. That is a problem. This, no problem at all. Okay, well, we're looking at the base. We can see it's a metal base with a silver exhaust. I like that. And the metal plate right here. Nice profile on the tires. Good rolling wheels. Steering wheels. Also very welcome. Very cool. Then we go to the side. Yeah, we can see the Toyo tires. Open country. A little bit of carbon fiber here. Yeah, looks like it. This is all made out of metal. It's also made out of metal. Let's check the interior. It's a left-hand steering. And we do have some color details here. I see in the middle of the dashboard Toyota display. A little bit difficult to see. Let's zoom in on that. There we go. Now we can see it better. Also very good steering wheel. Seats in the back. Let's find a good position. Yeah. Black seats, also good. Okay, let's go to normal mode. Nice lights here on top of the window. Lanced front lights. This looks really cool. Also a little bit of carbon fiber on the side mirrors. We got suspension. And then we got the back, nice license plate, thank you very much for that. Also Lance rear lights, and I like that jerry cans are painted. Oh, also, this is also nice. I think it's for water or maybe gas for cooking. Ooh, I think you have to be careful with this right here. That can break easily, and I believe we have an opening part here. Yep, there we go. So, oh, that's much better. Nice look. This is made out of plastic. Okay, and then we have to put this inside. There's a little bit of a scratch here, I think. Paint is a little bit off, but for me that's no problem. But yeah, it's a scratch. Okay, let's try to put it inside. There is a little bit of a gap here, but because it's metal you can bend it a little bit. Let's see if it works out like this. And yeah, like I said, be careful with this right here, it can easily break. Okay. There we go. Yeah. You see there is a little bit of a gap here. I think it's also very difficult to create something like this, especially when it's an opening part, because now you got an opening here and here. Yeah, that's not super realistic. It looks cool, it looks very nice, definitely not bad. Like I said, I think it's difficult to make something that is really, yeah, that there's no holes, gap, or maybe a door or whatever. What I do miss is a ladder to climb in the car. A small ladder. Do I say that right? Yeah, fantastic car. But I think it looks the coolest like this. This is absolutely cool looking. Definitely going to make some nice photos with this one. Yeah, like I said, check the website on Diecast Talk. I will leave a link in the description of the video down below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. See you soon. Bye.